What is this? USB flash drive. What is this? Laptop. What is this? Tablet. What is this? Monitor. What is this? Speaker. What is this? Keyboard. What is this? Mouse pad. What is this? Mouse. What is this? All. What is this? What is this? Torque wrench. What is this? VC. What is this? Wire brush. What is this? Multimeter. What is this? Caulking gun. What is this? Mallet. What is this? Bolt cutter. What is this? Angle grinder. What is this? Sledgehammer. What is this? Staple gun. What is this? Paintbrush. What is this? Nut driver. What is this? Utility knife. What is this? Allen wrench. What is this? Hacksaw. What is this? Crowbar. What is this? Clamp. What is this? Wire stripper. What is this? File. What is this? Screwdriver. What is this? Wrench. What is this? Pliers. What is this? Saw. What is this? Drill. What is this? Level. What is this? Chisel. What is this? Cucumber. What is this? Carrot. What is this? Eggplant. What is this? Beet. What is this? Corn. What is this? Broccoli. What is this? Pumpkin. What is this? Poop. What is this? Toilet bowl. What is this? Bath. What is this? Sink. What is this? Bathroom. What is this? Faucet. What is this? Toilet paper.